stepping on the same football field as you am. 1993. And I made a quote that some people call controversial. I call it confidence. I said that I might be the greatest player to ever walk up out of University of Miami. I did not say that because I thought I was better than everybody else. I said that simply because I was willing to put in the work to now be back here 18 years later. I'm not asking nobody in here for nothing today. I'm not. I'm just sharing my story to tell y'all, every time you think somebody got it good, man, it ain't always good. I sat in these same chairs you guys sat in, man. I sat around the greatest athletes in the world. There's no other man out there willing to give up what I'm willing to give up. I said that in 1993, when I said I wanted to be the greatest Hurricane. And the only thing that I got in the middle of all of that distance is the only thing in the Father's work is results. There's no other blueprint. I ain't got no other secrets to tell y'all today. I ain't come here for nothing else but to tell you, if you want to do something, work at it. You want a better relationship with God, work at it. There's not a person on my team in 16 years that has consistently beat me to the ball every play. That ain't got nothing to do with talent. That's just got everything to do with effort. Nothing else. 15 straight years. 12 Pro Bowls later. And the only thing that's kept me around is my effort. So when you put on this, all I ever knew was effort will get me seen on tape. Effort will get me noticed to get to the league. Effort would one day take care of my mom and my kids. Effort, which is between you and you. Nobody else can give you effort. Effort is with your side. And I'm still grinding because the next kid is talking about he getting too old. Keep watching me if I ain't. Nobody ain't got to convince me of what I do. I do what I do because I do what I do, because I'm built from something. And man didn't create it. Every one of you men in here have that opportunity, man. But ask yourself the question personally. How much time you really waste? The question is, what are you going to do with your time? What drives you? Know what you carry, man. You carry a legacy. A legacy of greatness. Greatness is a lot of small things done well. Day after day, workout after workout, obedience after obedience, day after day. Greatness is a lot of small things done well.